My name is Remco Krul. I am the head of marketing at Nordsol. And Nordsol is a company that makes installations for liquefaction of biogas to Bio-LNG. LNG can play a critical role in the decarbonization of energy-intensive mobile sectors, such as maritime sector and long-haul heavy-duty trucking. Today, diesel and heavy fuel oils are the standard, and LNG, even if it's fossil, can already result in less carbon emissions than when using diesel or heavy fuel oils. But with LNG, you also create a pathway to bio-LNG and even synthetic LNG, which can be carbon neutral or even carbon negative. And this means that there is a low-cost transition towards these heavy-duty, long-haul mobility applications. I think the main challenge in the bio-LNG world at this moment is the fact that producing bio-LNG from fossil molecules is currently cheaper than producing bio-LNG from renewable molecules. In the end, if we want to be net zero emission in 2050, we need a lot more renewable molecules that are produced here in Europe independently from other countries or independently from fossil resources. As long as it's more cost effective to make fossil molecules green rather than to produce the actual green molecules, we are in this situation where we need to create fast a bio-LNG market, but at the same time we need to keep the long term in mind, knowing that we need to get rid of the dependency of these fossil molecules. I think the organization of the conference is really good. This is my third time at the conference. The first time I was astonished by the professionalism and the amount of effort that you guys put into connecting people and creating a real professional conference. And that has been this case the second time last year when we attended this conference, and again this year it's again the same thing. So really high quality. Congratulations with that. The personal manager is really accessible. Today I just sent him a WhatsApp real fast, and 2 minutes later I can meet him. I don't need to I can ask him any question. So he is critical to the success of Nordsol at this conference in terms of connecting people, in terms of facilitating just small details. So it's really good.